what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a quick one today. We got a lot of questions from people asking, how did you get your all-wheel drive G37 rear-wheel drive? No, I did not remove my front diff. No, I did not do anything crazy. It's actually pretty simple. It's a fuse. So today we're just gonna, like I said, do a quick video, jump straight into my all-wheel drive supercharged G37, show you guys how it's done. First steps first, gotta unlock the car. Easy part done.
I think all of it is easy.
Yeah, definitely, definitely is. Second, you can enjoy the nice boosted goodness, or you could just jump straight into it. So, second step, you gotta remove the battery cover. Put that somewhere so it doesn't fall anywhere, so you're not looking for it later. Third step, and this is where it's getting important. This is the fuse box for where the fuse is located that you have to remove to turn off the front differential, the front drive shaft, and make the car rear wheel drive. So remove it. There's two tabs on the side. Push on them, comes up real easy. What you're gonna be looking for is the ETS solenoid. It's a 10 amp fuse. It's the second one from the right. If you're looking at it this way, obviously, because it goes out to the 15 amp. So there it is. It's called ETS solenoid. It's a 10 amp fuse. Basically, this is the map of how your fuses are laid out in this fuse panel. The 10 amp fuse goes out to the 15, so we see 15, then we see 10, we're like, bam, that's the one we want. So again, you place this somewhere where it doesn't fall, and leave it the same way you picked it up, so you don't mix it up after. Then you take your trusty pliers. Just let me get it out of my pocket. Don't squeeze too hard, please, so you don't break the fuse. Nice light wiggle. Fuse is out. Your car is now rear wheel drive. Do all the donuts, all the burnouts, everything. You put it back in, literally just put it back in the same spot. Let it go. Use your finger. Guide it in, push it in.
You're gonna get any lights on the dash, or?
Yeah, so you will get some lights on the dash because obviously the fuse is missing. So it's thinking that something's wrong, either the fuse went out or whatever. It's probably gonna be a traction light and one more light. So those lights are nothing to worry about. They'll go away once the fuse gets put back in and the key gets cycled a couple times. So when you put the fuse back in, the lights will still be on the dash, but after you drive maybe 20 to 50 miles, one of the lights will turn off. Then you got to turn off the car. Once you restart the car again, all the lights should be off. So don't be afraid of the lights. It doesn't mean anything is wrong with the car. It's just from before. The car has to do another ECU check to make sure all the sensors are operating correctly. After that, you're pretty much done. Put the cover back how it was, so you're not mixing it up next time. If you want to do it again, which I'm sure you will. Click, 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 clack. That's in there. Battery cover is in, and you're done. Rear wheel drive to all-wheel drive to rear wheel drive. Take your pick. That's gonna do it for this one. I know we got a lot of comments. We had a lot of people asking, how did you get your all-wheel drive G to the rear wheel drive? That's how we do it. No secrets here, baby. Just giving you guys full information and content. If you guys like these videos, definitely subscribe. We would definitely appreciate that. Like the videos, comment, and yeah, we'll see you guys soon.